ఎంతసేపు వింటాం జాన్వి.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Rashmita. I am studying in 8th class. My topic name is Maths Formulas, 2D and 3D figures. Algebra formulas: a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus minus 2ab.
A square plus b square plus 3ab.
A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab square plus 3b square plus b cube. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab square 3a square b plus 3b square minus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square